Hello, this is Chotin again, and in today's lesson, I will take you all through the process of preparing result sheet in Microsoft Excel. So for that reason, I already have my Excel sheet ready. In this demonstration, I will be taking you all through how to find totals for each subjects and how to find grand total, the number of minor subjects failed, percentage, result, and then finally show you how to find the position. So before I begin with my demonstration, let me make you all very clear that the marks and the names entered in this particular Excel sheets are not true. They are designed for the demonstration purpose. And let me also make it very clear that I will be considering English, Dzongkha, and mathematics as main subject. Science, HCG, and ICT as minor subject. And also remember that I will be considering 40 as the pass mark. And those students total which are less than 40 will be considered fail. So keeping this in mind, let's start now. Firstly, let me all take you through how to find the total of continuous assessment and exam for each student in each subject. So to find the total, I am going to use the sum function. Right? I'm done with finding totals for all the subjects. Now, let me take you all through the process of finding the grand total of all the subjects. So for that reason, I'm once again going to use the sum function. Equal to sum, right? Click on the total of English mark, comma, click on the total of Dzongkha, comma, mathematics, comma, science, comma, HCG, comma, and then finally ICT. Close the bracket and hit enter. You will get the total of all the subjects. For the rest of the students, you need not have to enter the formula time and again. Excel is smart enough to find the total for rest of the students. You just have to drag and drop it down. Right, we are done with finding grand total as well. Now I am going to demonstrate how to find the total numbers of minor subject failed. So for that purpose, I am going to use the COUNTIF function, which was explained in my previous video. Go to COUNTIF, open the bracket, select the total of the first minor subject, that is science. If science is, in the quotation mark, less than 40, all right, less than 40, close the quotation mark and close the bracket, plus COUNTIF, open the bracket, if the total of HCG, inverted comma, less than 40, the Excel is going to count it as 2, close the bracket, plus. And then finally, we have another minor subject, that is ICT. So if ICT is less than 40, Excel will be counting it as 3, okay? And then hit enter. I'm getting 1 here because I have only one minor subject which is less than 40. I'm getting 2 here because there are 2 minor subjects failed, ICT and HCG. 2 here again, that is HCG and science. So this is how we find the total number of minor subjects failed. All right. Now let me take you through the process of finding percentage. So for the percentage, I will be using an average function equal to, open the bracket. So to find the average, let's click on the total and then divide it by the number of subjects. So I have 3 main subjects and 3 minor subjects, which makes up the total 6. And total divided by 6 will give you the percentage. All right. We are done with percentage as well. Now I will be showing you how to find the result, that is either fail or pass. So for that reason, I will be using the logical functioning here. And in particular, I will be using the if function equal to if, open the bracket, if the total of English is greater than or equal to 40, comma, right? If the total of Zongke is greater than or equal to 40, comma, if the total of mathematics is greater than or equal to 40, comma, and then finally, if the total number of minor subjects failed is less than 2, comma, the student is pass. All right. Now see, if all these criteria are fulfilled, the student will get pass. All right. Or else, if the English mark is less than 40, the student will fail. This fail is for English, right? Comma. If the total mark of Zongke is less than 40, the student is fail. This fail is for Zongke. And then this fail is for mathematics. And then finally, this fail is for the total number of minor subjects. Hit enter and it will give you the result. Of course, he failed in one minor subject. He still pass because we gave the criteria saying that if the total number of minor subject failed is less than 2, the student is pass, right? That's why we are getting pass here. But we should get fail here and then fail here and fail in some other places as well if they have failed in main subject. Yeah, we have fail here, fail here. Of course, this student did not fail in any of the minor subjects, but then he is still failed here. Why? Because he or she might have failed in one of the main subjects. Yeah, definitely he failed in English. That's why we're getting fail here. All right. Finally, I will take you all through the process of finding position. So to find the position, I will use the rank function equal to rank, rank, open the bracket. So to find the rank, you can either click on the grand total or on the percentage. It will give you the same result. So I will click on percentage, comma, select the range of cells, then press F4 to make the cell reference absolute. Close the bracket and hit enter will give you the rank. For the rest, you just drag and drop. That's how we find position, all right, by using the rank function. This student stood fast because his percentage is the highest here. His second highest, and here is the third, and then his percentage is the third highest. That's all for today, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon to get notification as and when I post new videos in YouTube. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.